There you go, crown assembly is finally in place. The cluster assembly, well pinned and good design, love it. Soon, meanwhile, we are trying to construct the crown block, for which we have this framework ready and we will soon start assembly. All right guys, super cool, super good crown block frame. So going manual is the theme of this entire project. We will ensure that every hole is drilled manually. Today we are trying to complete the assembly of the crown block, and we will pin the crown cluster assembly, the complete assembly, to the top. So we are just getting ready the crown platform, and this will go on top, and we are going to pin it to the top of the mast. So we are now strengthening the crown assembly and adding a few gussets. You can see here, very clean job. So today we managed to install our crown cluster assembly with the pinning done. So they're all good. The assembly went on well, but the most important part of this installation is you have to string line your mast prior, so that you can accurately manage to ensure that you have the center line in place that goes in line with the mast section. If you fail to do the center line and measure prior, then you may have trouble in installing the cluster assembly. You could assemble the cluster assembly, but you may never get a well center. So remember, important to string line your mast section so that you are center with all the assemblies on the critical load path.